Hi everybody, this is the returnable. It's me again. Tell me how you like about the video I posted how to make a chicken and a air fryer. Let me know if you like it. Guess what? Last time I posted a video and I told you guys I'm going to show you how to make Asian rice on a slow cooker. But I'm really sorry. I tried. He don't come out with the same way I expected. Because remember, we Asian, we cook our rice different. The rice supposed to be have a little bit garlic fry, little bit Asian spice, and we fry our um, salt, salt and oil. So that's why I make it Asian rice. Tastes good. But I try on a slow cooker, it don't taste the same. So I'm sorry, I'm not going to show you how to make Asian rice on a slow cooker because it's not going to be taste the same. So what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to put a different video on a slow cooker for you guys. I'm going to show you how to make oat milk on a slow cooker. I try it, and that day my daughter wake up, he was dancing in the morning because it smells the taste of the oat milk. So I'm going to show you how to do just like the oat milk on a slow cooker. Guys, men, king, and prince, I'm going to show you how to make food for your mom, for your girlfriend, for your wife, and kids also. So I love you guys so much. That's going to be my next video. You guys out there, go hurry up. Grab yourself a slow cooker. And I'm going to show you. A slow cooker and a measurement cups. It's really important you got your measurement cups. Okay? I love you and bye-bye. Thank you for watching. I love you all.